Okay, so in the problem, this is the problem which was asked in one of the GATE exam, but not for all the three cases. Okay, only for this. Only for this they have asked. We will try to find out for all the three cases here. So a shared variable a is given and which is initialized to 0, okay, and is operated by four processes. So four number of processes are given. How many? Four. W, X, Y, Z. Process W and X increments the variable a by 1, and process Y and Z decrement a variable b a by 2. Okay, each process before reading variable a performs and wait on semaphore S and signal on S after store. Okay, so first we will take the S is initialized to 1. This is the first case we'll solve. Okay, so A is initialized to 0 and the value of S is 1, and there are four variables given four processes given W, X, Y, and Z. These are the processes given. Okay, so each process will read A. Okay, each process will read A and write into A. Okay. Okay, before what is given before reading the variable A, okay, it performs wait. So you have to write here S, wait S, and here after storing we'll call signal. Okay, and what is given here? The process W and X increment A. Okay, so A is equal to A plus 1 by W, and X also A is equal to A plus 1. And what about Y and Z? In the problem, it is decremented A by 2. So A is equal to A minus 2. A is equal to A minus 2. So what is happening here? The variable A is shared. Okay, so this is a critical section actually. So at a particular time, only one process should be active in the critical section, others should wait, right? So let us assume that first condition S is equal to 1. So suppose, and the order of execution is not given here. Okay, so any process can start at any time. So assume that process Y starts first. So what is the value of S here? The value of S initially it was 1. So as soon as it enters, go into wait, S will be decremented by 1. So it becomes 0 and it reads. So what is the value of A? Value of A was 0. So 0 minus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay, so it will and then it calls signals S. So the value of S becomes 1. Okay, now next suppose process 1, second, suppose process Z process. Okay, process Z enters. What is the value of S now? The S value becomes again 0. What is the value of A? The value of A was minus 2. So A is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. Okay. Then signal. So again S becomes 1. Suppose third is process which is X. Okay. So process X, again it will call wait. So S becomes 1 to 0. Okay. x. So this is okay right here. This is z, this is x. So what is the value? A. Value of A was minus 4. So A is equal to A plus 1, that is minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3, and it will call signal again, so this becomes 1, and the last process is what? W. So it will read the variable A. The value of variable A is minus 3. So this will be equal to A plus 1, that is minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Okay. So what is the value after all the processes are done their task? The value of A is, final value is minus 2, and that is true. Why? Because we are adding 1 twice, subtracting 2 twice. So the final value will be equal to minus 2. So that is right.